Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Friday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We are weekend ready, and hopefully we'll have some good weather this weekend. I don't know. We'll see how it turns out, huh?
Yeah. Forecast rain, I think.
Yeah, I know. You get forecast rain, but that's Saturday, Sunday for you. Anyway, we had very, very exciting week at the GRI summit. A few storm clouds in the horizons there too, with interest rates and cost of construction issues like that coming up for the developers, and mentioning that it's getting a bit sort of.
Any good news?
Any good news? Well, yeah, there was some good news. Some deals have been done, and they were talking about those. And actually, a couple of the developers said that just recently, like in the last couple of weeks, that some of the prices had come down on some of the materials, but coming down from 200% increase, coming down 20%. So maybe we were at our highs, and we'll see them coming down. I guess we'll see what happens. But a few I'd say taking it a little bit easier than they were, a little bit less optimistic, but not necessarily pessimistic. So interesting comments on the economy and how they think Central Eastern Europe is going to go. But in let's say in general, it was more positive than Western Europe. So good, we're over here. So some interesting things there. Next week we'll be transmitting or broadcasting a couple of days from Wrocław. There is the Wolf Summit, which has a lot of different prop tech opportunities and things like that. So we'll be taking a look at those, and we'll let you know what prop tech and other kind of tech might be helping us out there. And then also the MAPIC Italy just happened, which was super successful on Monday, and our colleagues were down there and very happy with the way that's going, and the Italian retailers looking to come to Central Eastern Europe. So we did pick up a few new contacts from there as well. So that'll be interesting to bring them to our retail awards.
Yeah, they were relaunching there. They were doing a big relaunch for their awards there as well.
So very interesting. And so we'll just take, just jumping right into the news, we'll take a 20-second break, come right back with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief of EuropaProperty.com, with the highlights to wrap up the week. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 4th annual Europa Property CRE Awards, the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the surrounding region. After a year of online events, now we are finally able to meet face-to-face with international, regional, and local commercial real estate professionals. With over 10 countries covered, including Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Slovakia, Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, and Ukraine, this will be an event not to be missed. Check out our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com. So, Winston, ready for action?
Yeah, thanks, Craig. And we'll start today with some good news from Panattoni, I guess. At the law firm Greenberg Traurig, they advised Panattoni on acquisition of an undeveloped land plot near Wrocław in Poland. And this facility that will be developed eventually will have an area of around 250,000 square meters. So Panattoni have got another big one planned for Wrocław. And according to Greenberg Traurig, they're saying the latest transaction is further proof that the logistics sector remains one of the most strongest and active sectors in the country, and it's giving out strong investment products for the future.
Good.
And some news from Messe Storage. We were at the press conference yesterday, and they've got a new advertising campaign, which is by a Japanese photographer called Hao.
Okay.
And his speciality is to put people into vacuum-packed bags, suck all the air out, and put them in there for 10 seconds, then quickly let them go.
Oh, let them out. Yeah, I was going to say it sounded good at first. I can think of a few people to put in some of these bags.
Yeah, but this is the new marketing campaign for less mess storage, and it's the concept is that people are being crushed and kind of overwhelmed with all their stockpiling of stuff and gear in their houses and in offices, and it can be a stressful situation. So at less mess storage, they can relieve this.
Vacuum pack it and put it in less mess.
They can put it in storage for you and then take the stress away from life to free up for you to do the things that you like doing.
Buy some more stuff.
Buy more stuff, yeah, free up for more stuff. And this idea was initiated by the creative agency MAPIC, which is guided by Tom Pinsett. And obviously it's Guy Pinsett, who's the CEO of Less Mess Storage. So together they came up with this, they had this interesting idea that they wanted, to create something a little bit different, something eye-catching and something that would catch people's attention.
Not your typical storage advertising.
No, you're going to see these on all the buildings that they have in their portfolio throughout Poland. And yeah, it's not your everyday, something a bit different.
Very exciting.
So keep an eye out for it. And staying in Poland, and Atrium, who are redeveloping Atrium Promenada, in the Prague district of Warsaw. They're saying that the new development or the refurb is going very well, and it's 80% pre-leased now.
Oh, wow.
And upon completion, this is going to be Atrium's flagship development in the region. It will house around 150 retail service units, and the completion is scheduled for the second quarter of 2023. And according to Scott Dyer, he has no doubt that this will be a very successful project for their portfolio. And one of the highlights in the new modernisation will be a 2-level Peak and Kloppenberg, offering around 3,500 square metres of retail space.
Yeah, Atrium is always doing pretty well with that project out there.
Yeah, they've announced lots of new developments and new kind of plans for their portfolio in Poland, and Warsaw mainly. Staying in Warsaw, and ERL is expanding its residential offer at its flagship investment, Soho by Yareal. The third stage of the construction is offering a new building, which is called Kardan. This is a U-shaped building that will offer 132 residential apartments, luxury residential apartments as well in this part. Okay. So this is in the Wrocław district of Warsaw, so not far from where we are here. And this development is built with the 15-minute city urban planning concept in mind, where residents can have all amenities very close at hand.
Well, it sounds like they should advertise in our September luxury living guide for Poland.
It definitely does, Craig, for sure. And then finally for today, moving to Romania, and Skanska has announced that they've got a new tenant for their Equilibrium 1, the first phase of their Equilibrium project in Bucharest. This is Elegance Decor, which is a company specialising in home and decor market. And Equilibrium 1 is a 12-storey Class A building with 20,000 square metres of leasable area, and it's achieved LEED Platinum and WELL Health and Safety rating certifications. And it's currently operating 100% based on energy from renewable sources. So another new development which is pushing out its sustainability and ESG credentials and, signing up great tenants.
Another great building in Romania.
Looks like it, yeah. The Skanska's got quite a big portfolio down there now.
Excellent. So is that all we have for the week?
Those are the highlights for today, Craig.
Wrapping up here Friday morning. Thank you very much for watching the Coffee with Craig show. We hope you will all enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, as it looks like there's supposed to be some rain coming. It doesn't look like it from here, but anyway. So it's supposed to be some rain coming and some rough winds or something. So stay safe, and we will see you on Monday morning for the Coffee with Craig show. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.